In this video, we'll take a look at Axie Infinity and then specifically the AXS token or the Axie Infinity shards. That's the real name, little voice crack. But yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll talk about what's been going on over the last, well, a couple of days actually, and what you can expect in the future. So let's get right into it. First of all, welcome back, or welcome to the channel if you're new. I covered Axie Infinity yesterday, or at least the main token, the governance token, and the AXS. Covered it yesterday, and there what we could already see is that it was pretty likely that the volume of AXS was manipulated to some extent, and then I also said, I mean, it's good to know that it's manipulated, but that it's manipulated doesn't necessarily mean that it goes up or down. In crypto, it could still go up. Had a big spike right here, I believe, all the way up to like $10. Well, 9.4 in coin market cap. So we actually, in reality, we haven't gone higher than this level, which, as you can see, was also my price target, and we reached that earlier today. I think yesterday we had already reached it as well, but I'm not too sure. But I mean, this just looks 100% manipulated. And still, I mean, if you check out the source of the volume, you can still see a lot of Korean volume, which usually indicates some manipulation. There's nothing wrong with Koreans or Korea, but that's just due to my experience. I've seen that. I mean, 300 million in volume coming from there, while usually it's almost none. That's a major red flag, right? And I know that there are some bullish fundamentals around Axie Infinity, and that they are doing some more decentralization, but also some more things with the entire community on how to actually develop Axie Infinity further. I know that, but that's never going to cause bullish moves like this, and it's never going to cause the volume to go up by almost 100%. Has already gone up by more even. I mean, if we zoom out like a couple of days ago, volume was around 40 million. It's now almost at 700, right? So there's something fishy going on. But again, as I said yesterday as well, for crypto, that doesn't mean that much. Could still go up. So what I said yesterday, to dive into the price, is that, all right, we have broken above like 8.25. If we can actually stay on top of 8.25, we're going to get up to 9.5 and 9.7. I set as my price target. Since then I recreated the levels a little bit, but doesn't matter too much. So that happened. Now we should probably drag this fib along like this. So now we already hit our price target between like 9.5 and 9.7. The clear next resistance level is this level around $10, which we have already hit, at least on this specific pair on Binance. But for me, it's also still the price target, because I'm not too sold on Axie Infinity yet, and especially not on these moves. Like right now, we're trying to break above $9. If we can actually, like there's a lot of resistance at 9.5, but if we can like break above $9 and stay on top of that again for like 24 hours, then I think we can also get up to like $10 and 10.5. But I don't see a way in which we could get higher than that. At this point of time, with the current fundamentals we have. I mean, of course it's manipulated, but still I don't see a way for that to happen. I do think we can reach up to 10.5, but only if we can break above $9 and hold that. I mean, what could also happen, and what at this point of time seems a little bit more likely to me, is that we'll break above $9, but that we then do not hold it as a support level for long enough. And that will break down to like 8.5, 8.2, and then afterwards also down to 7.5. And then at 7.5, we'll be able to find some more support and to consolidate a little bit further. To me, that seems like the more likely scenario, just based on the nature of these moves. But yeah, I guess we'll see. This is at least my analysis on the AXS. If you do have any questions, or if you want to discuss that, I'm always open for that down in the comments. But for now, take care, have a great day, and bye.